If you want to create stunning woodworking projects quickly and easily, then please pay attention to what I'm about to tell you. My name is Ted, and I've been working with wood my entire life. I'd like to show you exactly how you can start building woodworking projects easily and in the shortest time with my 16,000 done-for-you woodworking plans. Listen closely. Most guides and magazines that deal with woodworking are complete garbage. They skip over many parts, and the diagrams are often unclear or wrong. No wonder woodworking seems so hard. The truth is, I've spent a ton of time looking online and reading magazines. Most of them just left me with more questions than answers. So, I've spent the last 2 years putting together a comprehensive woodworking package with a clear, detailed, step-by-step system that didn't leave anything to the imagination. This is going to change the way you look at woodworking forever. Introducing Ted's Woodworking, the complete package of over 16,000 woodworking plans and blueprints. With Ted's Woodworking, you'll get over 16,000 done-for-you plans with step-by-step blueprints and easy-to-follow instructions. With over 16,000 plans, you'll find a plan for every project you can dream of, from small crafts and furniture designs to large outdoor projects and everything in between. All kinds of woodworking plans covering the spectrum of modern-day woodworking are included. Everything you can think of, I got it. What's more, every plan comes with an accurate bill of material to make your shopping trip and cost estimation easy and hassle-free. I'll hold you by the hand and guide you every step of the way. My plans are designed to get the job done quickly, inexpensively, and with professional results every time. All of these plans are very easy to use and easy to follow. You don't need to have fancy woodworking skills or high-dollar tools. These are easy-to-read 2D plans with 3D isometric views showing you all the critical steps you need to follow when constructing your project. So, let me break it down for you. With Ted's Woodworking, you never have to deal with incomplete diagrams or blueprints again. Say goodbye to the stress and frustration that comes with woodworking. You can build whatever you want, completed quickly in just days. You'll save money and time on your next project by doing it right the first time. But that's not all. If you order Ted's Woodworking on this page today, I'll throw in 4 special bonuses that will help you get going with your woodworking projects even faster. You'll get a DWG and CAD plan viewer so you can edit, modify, or even create your own custom plans. You'll also get full access to over 150 premium woodworking video lessons covering a wide selection of topics. As if that's not enough, you'll get a book entitled How to Start a Woodworking Business. I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to make money selling your custom woodwork. Learn how to use your skills for profit. And to top it all off, you're also getting a complete collection of woodworking guides with over 200 pages of woodworking tips and tricks with detailed drawings, diagrams, and photos. Think of this as the foundation for your woodworking plans. That's practically over $300 worth of bonuses when you order Ted's Woodworking today. Look, I have literally spent years creating these plans. There are thousands of design hours in this package. Years of work, all compiled into one easy-to-read, easy-to-follow package for your use. You won't find this collection anywhere else. In fact, I've been a carpenter for almost 36 years, and I haven't found anything like this for less than tens of thousands of dollars. So, here's the deal. I'm offering you my love it or shove it 60-day money-back guarantee when you try Ted's Woodworking today. Place your risk-free order today and get instant access to over 16,000 plans. Try them for a full 60 days. If for any reason you think it's not for you, simply email me and I'll refund every penny. No questions asked. Heck, I'll even let you keep all the bonuses. On the house. This is more than just a guarantee. It's a personal promise to you. So, read on and place your order today. Start building stunning projects effortlessly and on time every time. I'll see you on the inside.